Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can create a poll in Viber. So I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step, so don't you worry. If you have any query, just let me down in the comment below, guys. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to a group and then go to plus button. There you'll find this poll option just beside file. Just go over there and have a question. Let's say, who are you? And then add option, let's say person, the animal, and just press on create. And that's how you do it, guys. That's how you create a poll in Viber. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so never miss an update from us. If you have any query, just comment down below, guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.